over 40 seconds. A little over 40 seconds into the flight. We are seeing 33 out of 33 Raptor engines ignited. Boosters pushing us downrange over the Gulf. Next milestone coming up in just under 10 seconds is going to be max Q, that max aerodynamic pressure.
Max Q.
All right, so we're through max Q. That's the heaviest stresses it's kind of seeing on the way up. Wow, that was pretty incredible.
I'm still recovering. That was amazing. Beautiful views of the vehicle on ascent, pitching downrange away from the launch tower.
And we are seeing 33 healthy Raptor engines, if I might say that. And the booster ascent looks to be good so far. And we are, I mean, Alex, so far so good, right? We are, everything looking good. We are about 30 seconds away from hot staging.
Yep, next up should be hot staging. That hot staging will be 30 engines shut down, and then ignition of the ship engines and separation of the booster. Watch out for the grid fins to turn.
Yeah, everything looking good here on the Raptor engines on the left. You watch for that very violent boost back flip. You will see that after that's expected. But it looks quite interesting. That's the preparation for hot staging. That's hot staging.
Yep. From our cameras.
I think there's the boost back. Look at that flip. Wonderful.
That's
that
the boost
flip
back turn start.
That was an interesting flip, but I think that looks good on the boost back. Yeah, that looks good, right?
Looks like 2 engines might be out on the boost up, on the boost back burn.
We will await confirmation what that means for the catch. Of course, SpaceX will say something that, again, the flight director needs to confirm a go for catch. That is the requirement. We also see 6 healthy engines on ship 34 right now, which is, of course,
still
their
looking
main
like
objective.
They go for return, but obviously they are checking all of the parameters.
And remember, the last time we had an engine out as well, and that was not something that stopped them from going for a catch. So that doesn't mean anything yet. Still go for catch, apparently. And we are still looking at a booster returning, awaiting final confirmation from SpaceX for go for catch. That usually happens after the shutdown of the boost back berm is where they confirm. Also look at the ship. Look at continuously if all engines are
You can
ongoing.
see, look right over where the center engines are. You can see the purple hue there.
Oh, yeah. And we are awaiting final catch go.
Still so good. So far, so good.
Everything good, everything good. We like to see what everything looks to be okay right now. Of course, the final okay
There's
will
a
be
hot
done by the
staging
flight
ring separating. Look at that.
Oh, it's floating away. And we are now usually at the frame where they commit for a catch. We have not heard anything of the contrary yet. And the catch would be in 2 minutes from now. And let's see. The boost back burn might be a bit late because 2 engines were out, so maybe they have corrected a bit. So maybe the timeline is a bit off, but
some of the times might be off precisely because of that. Those 2 engines out, of course, will affect that timeline. But I have not heard any call-outs that they are not going or anything. Still going for it.
Honestly, that booster is starting to aim now. So, looking like they might go for it. I don't want to jinx it as a commentator here.
That's a funny looking hot staging ring.
But that booster looks to me like it's on track for the tower, Alex.
Yeah. Let's see that re-entry. Watch out for the engine glow. because that aft end gets very hot during the re-entry. Does not do any entry burn.
Look at
So
that
it
tracking.
glows.
Amazing. Oh, there's the glow
There
coming.
it comes.
There are go for booster catch. Still all going. There, look at that glow, Alex. Fantastic views.
That's so cool.
Watch for the engines to ignite, and then they will shut down all but 3 for the final approach to the tower.
Let's see what happens. They had 2
And-
engines out on the boost back burn, so let's see let them burn.
Give us that beautiful flamethrower. I'm sorry. There it is.
There are the engines.
Landing burn ignition.
Whoa!
And catch.
Okay.
Welcome.
Wow.
Welcome back, booster. We have a catch. 3
Another
times. Wow.
There we go.
And-
Very toasty. Look at that.
Look at that toasty booster, but also look in the bottom right. You know what's still running just fine?
The ship, it's still going.
The
of
ship
course.
is still going.
Let's see, because it still has about another minute or so on its burn. It looked like maybe 1 engine on that landing burn did not work, but the rest were running.